All right, ready? Primo, 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 Primo. Oh, dope.
Again.
You didn't even knock it down.
What?
Just jump backwards like that, man.
No.
I'll take you to the hospital.
No.
Come on, I'll meet you. Look, the truck's right outside. Just, I'll drag you out there and we'll go straight to the hospital. The hospital, look, the hospital is right around the corner. How many times have I gone to the hospital since I've been here?
Piñata.
Oh yeah, 3 times. Yeah, you're right. So take my advice. Just jump backwards, man. Do it.
How jump sideways first?
Dude, that's not primal enough, man.
That's not.
It's not primal. Only backwards is primal.
Backwards.
Backwards. Ah! Boo! Dorian, get up there and show him how it's done. Dorian, get up there and show him how it's done.
No.
Alright. Alright. Don't even look, man. Don't even look. Just close your eyes. Just go. Just fall. Don't look. Just go. Just go. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Oh man. Primo. Dorian, please don't break your neck. If Ethan breaks his neck, I can live with that. But you, I can't do. I will love you to death, but you'll be dead. Turn around, Dorian. Don't do it, man. Just kidding, man. Turn around. No, turn around so you land forward first. Ethan had at least 5 practice jumps. Oh man, that was epic. That was epic.
That was really fun.
Yeah, that was pretty epic.
And it was more fun than it looks.
Yeah? This is what we do on rainy days or what?
Yeah. We jump off the staircase and bounce. Of epicness. Piñata. It's so scary.
How do you jump on your knees?